The question is this much. ABC is a triangle. Look at here. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Which altitude BE and CF to side AC and AB are equal. Show that triangle ABE congruent to ACF. Okay. Listen. Question again. Given in triangle ABC, altitude BE equal to altitude CF. To prove triangle ABE congruent to ACF. Then second part AB equal to AC. Look at here now. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF. ABE A. ACF A common. Angle A equal to angle A common. ABE. Okay. ABE angle E. Angle E equal to ACF angle F 90 degree. Then VE equal to CF. I'll give the note, don't write. VE equal to CF given. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by what? AAS. AAS, side angle side. Side angle side. Hence, a triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. A congruent. AAS congruency. Second part, AB equal to AC CPCT. Okay, this okay, write the notes. I'll give you. Okay, right. Given this way you have to answer it all. Okay, given in triangle ABC, altitude BE equal to altitude CF. Altitude BE equal to altitude CF. Okay, altitude BE equal to altitude CF. To prove one, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. Triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. Okay. 2, AB equal to AC. 2, AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Okay. Now, proof. Right. In triangle ABE and ACF. In triangle ABE and ACF. ABE and ACF. Angle A equal to angle A common. Angle A equal to angle A common. Then angle E equal to angle F. Angle E equal to angle E equal to angle F equal to 90 degree. Okay. Then BE equal to CF. BE equal to CF given. Therefore, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. AAS congruency. Okay. Hence, AB equal to AC, CPCT. Hence, AB equal to AC CPCT. AB equal to AC CPCT. AB equal to AC CPCT. Okay, clear or not? Hello, is it okay? Is it okay or not? Anyone want to explain? No problem. Okay. Dixon, you heard about this AAS congruency, SAS congruency, ASA congruency, CPCT and all? You heard about, right? Okay. Then, okay, there is no issue. I'll send you the triangles. No, not only triangles, right? I'll send you lines and angles. Lines and angles is the base of this chapter. See, remember, look at the revised portion, lines and angle, nothing deleted. That's the meaning what? That chapter is so important. Correct or no? Lines and angle, no deletion. That means that chapter is so important for all classes. Triangles, last part deleted. That is good. It's difficult part, but that will affect next year some results. Okay. Even quadrilaterals, no deleted. That's we required all. Okay. Okay, so I'll send you first lines and angles, 3 classes. Then you revise it. Then again next 3 classes I'll send you. Okay, each classes. Why you want to teach Priyansh last part of the triangles? Because it's not in the syllabus now. You want Priyansh? Why? Priyansh, it is not the, it is a drop now. Triangles, inequalities and relation between angle and facing side inequalities of triangles. That's not required. Yeah, next year it is important, means next year only now. Okay, why bother now? Okay, correct or no? Next life, maybe life after life. Next life, maybe a dog. Correct or no? No need to bark now. Bow. No need now. Or next life, maybe a cat. Meow. No need now. Correct? That time enough. Because according to Indian philosophy, there will be 7 life after life. Okay. Suppose you wish to do something, then you die. Next life will be that only. Suppose you wish to eat more sandwich, next life maybe you'll work in sandwich shop until fulfill all your wishes. What do you call that stage? What do you call? Anyone know the name? You fulfill all your wishes. Moksha. Yes, Priyansh, that is correct. Moksha. Then there is no life. Okay. This is the Indian philosophy. But Buddhists not believe this one. For Buddhists, they don't believe life after life. That's why they give eyes. Okay, they're ready to give eyes after life, after the death. That means that we can give the, now Indians also started the science. According to science, there is no issue. So we can give just after 4 hours. Before 4 hours, we can distribute your eyes to anyone. Other people can be. That's why majority eyes from Japan, Sri Lanka, and all. Because Sri Lankans majority are Buddhist. Japan Buddhist, Burma Buddhist, and all. Okay. Bhutan, yes, Bhutan also. Right? Because their actually origin is India. You know that, right? You can hear, that's your problem. Rest of guys can hear, no, right? Okay, you're okay now. Okay, now it's finished now. It's okay now. Once again, listen. Once again, I'll tell you. Given is in triangle ABC, altitude BE equal to altitude CF. That's only. To prove AB equal to AC. Okay. and triangle ABE congruent triangle ACF. Okay, listen. We took in triangle ABE and ACF. Angle A equal to angle A common. Angle E equal to angle F 90 degree. Then because altitude. BE equal to CF. Okay. BE equal to CF. What do you call? Given. Therefore, triangle ABE congruent to ACF. ABE congruent to ACF. Okay, AAS congruency. Hence, AB equal to AC. Anyone issue with our my voice? Not, it can't hear. Only Dhruv only. The rest of guys can hear, right? Okay. So clear, everyone. Okay. So now is you take question number 5. Start question number 5. See, our test is tomorrow, right or no? Today Wednesday. Okay. Okay. Portion is lines and angle full. Okay. It's a retest actually. Fifth question, construction. I don't know. You do it. Okay. So you question is with you. You can do it with the construction or without construction also. You can do it. Okay. Aksha. Okay. Question number 5. Look, Mansvi. Test is retest. Okay. The Dixon cannot write because he's new. Okay. Mansvi. Retest. You put right retest of lines and angles. Everyone to write. Right. That's why I told now. See, before this syllabus publish, we already announced lines and angles in the importance. Okay. Okay. Now start question number 5. Question number 5 you can do first. Okay. You can do with construction or without construction. Both we can do it, but don't do both. Okay. Okay. You try. If not getting, no problem. I'll explain this one. Okay, you just try. You write the given, what you have to prove, and draw the figure. Okay, getting. Look at here. You got or not? Look. Look here. ABC and BC. ABC and BDC are ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Show that angle ABD, this angle equal to this angle. Isosceles means this equal to this one, this equal to this one. Okay, you can write given in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, DB equal to DC. Okay, then to prove angle ABC equal to angle ACD. One chota construction, join this one, AD. Now, in triangle ABD and ACD, AB equal to AC, given. BD equal to DC, given. AD common. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by SSS congruency. Hence, angle ABD equal to ACD. Finish. Angle ABD equal to ACD. Finish. This is the easiest way. Okay. Without construction, I have to do without construction. Why? This is easiest to know. Then what is the problem? Naishi. What I want to explain this part. You can see the figure. You saw one marking, one line. What is that? Tell me, what is that one marking, one dot there is? Which side? Check the figure. Naishi, come on. You answer. What is the marking you can see? Which side that? AB equal to AC. Okay. What about second marking is what? Second marking. BD equal to DC. Okay. Then, what is the common line? In triangle ABD and ACD, which is the common line? ABD and ACD. ABD and ACD, which is a common line. In triangle ABD, how come BC is coming? AD, correct or not? AD equal to AD. So these triangles are congruent by SSS. Okay. Hence, angle ABD equal to ACD. Finish. This such a small question as your doubt. BC is not a part of triangle ABD and ACD. You cannot write that one. Okay. Clear now? Is it okay? Okay. Now wait. Okay. Look. Okay, yeah, Akshay, you asked me how to do without construction. Look at here. That also I'll show you. Just for information. Look. BC. Okay. Look at here. A, D here. This one equal to this one. So angle 1 equal to angle 2. This equal to this one. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle opposite equal sides are equal. So what? Angle 1 equal to angle 2, number 1. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, number 2. Add both. Angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. That means ABD equal to ACD. Aksha, clear or not? Okay, this way also we can show this one. Okay, so now we try question number 6. You try first. This 6 is a star question. Okay, question number 6 star question. You just rough work enough. I'll give the complete note. Okay, are you getting or not? Anyway, I'll explain this question. It's a start question. Okay. Okay, getting or not? Hello, are you getting? Okay. Look at here. Triangle ABC. Listen, don't write. I'll give the note. This one. Okay. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means what? AB equal to AC. Then side BA extended to D. How long? To D here. Okay. You can see it. Okay. Then join this one. And this is equal to this one. Okay. This is a figure. The figure should be clear. Extend it. Don't just bend the line. Okay. Don't write like this. Figure and all. Okay. Extend it. Put it that like this. Figure okay or not? Right. Okay. Then look at here now. I'll give the note and all. Listen. Here. First of all, AB equal to AC. Okay. AB equal to AC. Which angle is equal? AB equal to AC. Which angle equal? I don't want to say B and C. No. It's wrong. How can say C? This angle, full angle. You should write what? Angle B equal to angle ACB. Correct or no? Angle ABC Pranav. Okay. ABC. Okay. Because B independent angle. C we cannot write ACB. Angle B equal to angle ACB. Okay. We assume that this angle X. This also x. Okay. Don't write anything. I'll give the note. Okay. Now, you know, AB equal to AD given, and AB equal to AC. From that, what will get? AB equal to AD and AB equal to AC. What is the meaning? Hello? AB equal to AD and AB equal to AC. So what will get? AC equal to AD. These two are equal. Correct? AD and AC equal. AD opposite which angle? AD opposite which angle? AD opposite is angle ACD. So this is Y. This also Y. Okay. You can write up to here. I'll give the note. Listen here. Okay. Right. You write given. Okay. You wrote given, right? Okay. Right now, in triangle ABC. Hello. I'll give the note. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. AB equal to AC. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. AB equal to AC. Given. Okay. In bracket, right? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Then let angle ABC equal to angle ACB equal to x. Let angle ABC equal to angle ACB equal to x. Let angle ABC equal to angle ACB equal to x. Angle, listen, let angle ABC equal to angle ACB equal to x. Are you okay up to here? Okay. Look at here once again. Listen all. AB equal to AC. Look, don't write down. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC given. Therefore, angle B equal to angle ACB. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Let angle B equal to angle ACB equal to x. Up to here, okay or not? Okay, now, right. You wrote AB equal to AC, you call it number one. We need that one. AB equal to AC, you call it number one. After that, AB equal to AD. AB equal to AD. Given number two. AB equal to AD number two. Okay. From 1 and 2 we get. From 1 and 2 we get. From 1 and 2 we get. AD equal to AC. AD equal to AC. AD equal to AC. Clear or not? AD equal to AC. Okay. AD opposite is ACD. Therefore, angle ACD congruent to triangle, sorry, angle ACD equal to angle D. Angle ACD equal to angle D. Angle ACD equal to angle D. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Then let angle ACD equal to angle D equal to Y. Let angle ACD equal to angle D equal to Y. Up to here, okay? Everyone clear or not? Okay, now don't write. Just listen here. Now listen here. In triangle BCD, angle B plus angle BCD plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. B plus this full plus D equal to 180 degree. So X plus Y plus Y equal to 180. Correct or no? So 2X plus 2Y equal to 180. So X plus Y equal to 90. X plus Y 90 means angle BCD 90 degree. Okay. Right. In triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, angle B plus angle BCD plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle BCD plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. That is X plus Y plus Y equal to 180. X plus Y plus Y equal to 180. Then 2X plus 2Y plus 2Y equal to 180. Hence, X plus Y equal to 90. X plus Y equal to 90. Therefore, angle BCD 90. Angle BCD equal to 90. Okay, finish. Okay, check everyone. Check. Okay, Dixon, are you okay or not? Are you getting or not? You didn't go any class before? This is the first time class, tuition classes? Oh, okay, okay. Who gave you the format and on? You sent me the signed format. No, I didn't send the format. Giant, I won't repeat that one. Okay. You check one, check two. Then what you can write? Tell me that. Okay. Don't say so silly. Okay. Okay. So finish. Dixon, you got or not? This one. Okay. So everyone okay? It's clear now? It's a very important question, star question. Okay. Okay, Jayant, you understood? Jayant. Hello, Jayant. Part one. Okay, no. My question is, you asked me the question, AB equal to AC. You know the reason, right? Okay, listen, one by one you answer it. Okay, listen. AB equal to AC. You answer that. That is okay or not? AB equal to AC. What is the reason? Given. AB opposite which one? AB opposite which angle? Angle ACB equal to angle B, right? Okay. So we put X here, X here. Okay. Now, AB equal to AC given and AB equal to AD. What you will get? AB equal to AC and AB equal to AD. What you will get? Come on, man. AB equal to AC and AB equal to AD. What you will get? Equal. What equal? Which equal? Which one is equal? Equal. What the mean? There is an incomplete sentence. Which one is equal? No. Which one is equal? What? AB. AD equal to B. AD equal to AC. Correct or no? AD equal to AC. Because A equal to B, B equal to C. That means A equal to C. Like that. Okay. AD opposite which angle? AD opposite angle ACD. AC opposite is angle D. So we assume that Y and Y, right? After that, the big triangle, in triangle BCD, angle B plus angle BCD plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Okay, X plus Y equal to 180. So that is 2X plus 2Y equal to 180. Hence, X plus Y 90. Now clear or not? Okay, now we try question number 7. It's very simple. Try question number 7. Okay, do fast. Okay, anybody got? Getting? It is 45 degree, right? Hello. Look at here. It's very simple. Look. Look at here. In triangle, ACB, ACB. These are equal. So we can assume this angle X is also X. X plus 90 equal to 180. 2X equal to 90. X equal to 45. Okay, right. Okay, right now. So if it is finished, you can start next question. Okay. Okay. So finish now. Just think to do. See this angle, this, AC equal to BC. So this angle and this angle equal. X plus 90, 180. 2X equal to 90. X equal to 45. Okay. Try next question. Try next question. Okay. Okay. Next one. Question number 8. Right. Okay. Finish question number 8. Each angle how much? Question number 8. Each angle 60 degree. Yeah, it's finished. Very simple. Okay. All angles are equal. So x plus x equal to 180. X equal to 60 degree. Okay, so next listen here now. We learned one theorem. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal, and sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Are you okay? Hello. Next, we learned now what angles opposite to equal sides are equal. In a triangle, two sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. Then two angles are equal, opposite sides also equal. Okay, based on only next exercise. Okay, try 7.3. 7.3. 7.3 first question. Write the question, draw figure, and what is given and only write. Okay, you start. Write the question number one. Draw figure. What you have to. What is given. What you have to prove. Then you just try. You rough for try. I'll give the note and all. Okay. So don't write fair. Exactly like previous type questions only. Okay. So look at here. I'll show this one. Come on. Look at here. Look, ABC and DBC. Listen, don't write now. ABC, ABC, and DBC. DBC. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle on the same base BC. On the same base BC, A and D on the same side of BC in figure. AD is extended to P here. Okay. Show that triangle ABD. First one, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, look at here. Hello, we'll discuss one by one. The first question is the main part. Okay, so listen out. Here given is what? In triangle ABC, ABC and DBC are isosceles triangle. That means AB, this one equal to this one. This equal to this one. Okay. Then show that AD is extended. Okay, then show that triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Who all got first part? Who all got first part? The first part is very simple. Look at here. Hello, listen. In triangle ABD and ACD, AB equal to AC, given. BD equal to CD, given. AD equal to AD, common. Correct or no? Okay, write first that one. Hello, right. Where do you want to start? In triangle ABD and ACD. Right. In triangle ABD and ACD. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Given. Okay. BD equal to CD. BD equal to CD. Given. AD equal to AD, common. AD equal to AD, common. Okay. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. ABD equal to ACD. Triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD. The first part is finished. Are you okay or not? First part. Okay. Okay. Right. SSS congruency. Correct. Right. SSS congruency. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. SSS congruency. All the sides are equal. Okay. Now second part, what? Triangle ABP congruent ACP. Okay. Now look at here. Hello. Listen. In triangle I'll give the note. In triangle ABP and ACP, AB equal to AC, given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. What is the reason? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. What is the reason? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Come on, what is the reason? It is, no, reason tell me, not by intersect or bisect. It is proved. Why? It is proved CBCT. Why? Triangle ABD congruent to ACD, CBCT, 1 equal to 2. Okay. Now, in triangle ABP and ACP, AB equal to AC, given, angle 1 equal to angle 2 proved, AP equal to AP common. Therefore, triangle ABP congruent to ACP. S side angle side, side angle side, SAS congruency. Okay, write that one. Right now, in triangle ABP, in triangle ABP, in triangle ABP and ACP, in triangle ABP and ACP, AB equal to AC given, AB equal to AC given, AB equal to AC given, then angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 1 equal to angle 2, in bracket write CPCT of congruent triangle ABP, sorry, CPCT of congruent triangle ABD and ACD, ABD and ACD. Okay, then AB equal to AB common, AB, sorry, AP equal to AP common, AP equal to AP common. Okay, hence triangle ABP, hence triangle ABP congruent triangle ACP. Okay, therefore, reason what SAS congruency, SAS congruency. Okay, finish now. Now what? AP bisect angle A and AP bisect angle A and angle D. Okay, finish. Because already angle 1 equal to, listen, angle 1 equal to angle 2. We proved 3 equal to 4 CPCT. Therefore, AP bisect angle A and angle D. That's finished. Right? Okay, right now you mark it. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. CPCT of congruent triangle. CPCT of congruent triangle ABD and ACD. Okay, then angle 3 equal to angle 4. You mark it 3 and 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Again, same thing, right? Our question is what, Shilas? The question is AP bisect angle A, not side. AP bisect angle A and D. Okay, not BP and PC. Okay, AP bisect the angle, not side. AP bisect angle A and angle D. Okay. Now, fourth part. Look at here. Fourth part I'll explain now. Look at here. Look. What do you show? AP the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So here, two things you have to show. One is BP equal to PC. Then this angle 90 also. Clear or not? That is called perpendicular bisector. Are you okay or not? AP, listen. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC means BP equal to PC and this angle equal. Okay, look at here. Hey, before writing, listen here. BP equal to PC. Why? BP equal to PC. Reason what? CPCT of congruent triangle ABP and ACP. Agree or not? CPCT. CPCT of triangle ABP and ACP. Okay. Then angle 5 and 6 equal. Angle 5 equal to angle 6. Same reason, CPCT, right? Angle 5 equal to angle 6 CPCT. Correct or no? Are you okay? Then angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. What's the reason? Angle 5 linear pairs, right? Angle 5 linear pairs. That means what? These two are equal. This angle 90. So that means AP the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, right now. I'll get a note. Right. BP equal to PC. BP equal to PC. BP equal to PC in bracket, right? CPCT of triangle ABP and ACP. ABP and ACP. ABP and ACP. Okay. Then angle 5 equal to angle 6. Angle 5 equal to angle 6. CPCT again. Angle 5 equal to angle 6 CPCT. But angle 5 plus angle 6 angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree linear pairs. Therefore, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Therefore, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, everyone cross check your question and answer. Second part, which one are the second part of which question? Which question? Second one, ABP and ACP. Others, ABP and ACP. That one. You tell me what fourth part or second? Which fourth questions? Okay, AP the perpendicular bisector of BC. That part, right? AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Look at here. BP equal to PC. Listen, BP equal to PC. Because you already proved triangle ABP congruent to ACP. So CPCT. Then 5 and 6 equal. CPCT again of ABP and ACP. But 5 and 6, 5 plus 6 is 180 degree linear pairs. Therefore, 5 equal to 6 is 90 degree. Okay. Take your time. I'll give it 5 minutes. 3. Okay. I'll give 5 minutes now. Okay. So check all. Okay, finish or okay. So then try next question. Second question, try now. After this only we can start the extra work. Okay. Now you try second question. Okay. Question number 2. You have tried the question and figure. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, you got it? Okay. So I'll wait. Okay. Okay, if not getting, listen here. Hello. Everybody got? I hope everybody oh, still waiting. Okay, okay. Hello, Nader, waiting? Okay, I'll wait. Okay, no problem. Okay. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle. Okay. Bisect BC. Okay, no problem. I'll wait. You finish? Okay, then listen here. Those not getting, look at here. Look, AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC. AD, ABC. AD is an altitude. Okay. In which AB, this is equal to this one. Okay. Then we are sure that AD bisect BC. This one equal to this one. Okay. Look at here. Here in triangle ABD and ACD, this is equal to this one, right? Then this angle equal to this angle. Angle opposite equal sides are equal. Then this one common. AD is common. So what? These triangles are congruent by. These triangles are congruent by what? No, this angle 90, 90, 90. Two angle on one side. Two angle on one side. So AAS. Okay. Hence BD equal to DC. Hence BD equal to DC. Also, angle 1, you mark it here. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay, I'll give the note. Right. Right. In triangle ABD and ACD. 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 AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC given. Then angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle C. Bracket, right? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Then AD equal to AD common. AD equal to AD common. AD equal to AD common. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. ABD congruent to triangle ACD. AAS congruency. Hence, BD equal to DC, CPCT. Hence, BD equal to CD, BD equal to CD, CPCT. BD equal to CD, CPCT. Okay, this is for the first part. Then, second part what? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Just write CPCT. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. Okay. Clear now? Is it okay? RHS, how can you use it? RHS also we can apply. Okay. RHS also no problem. Okay. Hypotenuse and one side, right? Correct or no? AB equal to in right triangle ADB and ACD. AB equal to AC, hypotenuse, and AD common. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by RHS. No problem. Okay. So regarding the test now, understood now, lines and angle only, not triangles. Okay. So everyone check the syllabus, okay, and verify it. It is available in the CBSE site, okay. CBSE academic, then all you can see. Then first circular, click it, okay, just review. I think here that polynomials, one part is removed. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That part is removed. Statistics, surface area, nothing to remove. Area, Heron's formula is there. Heron's formula, area of quadrilaterals not there. Which one? Heron's formula? X cube plus y cube. What Priyansh is saying? Okay, so this is enough today. So next class, Thursday. You have Thursday class. Thursday is our test. Okay. So newcomers don't need to write it. Okay. Just all you have to write.